The next in this video series on borderlines is called Almost No One Will Understand You. I have a niche specialty, and I don't think there's another person in the United States who quite does what I do in my professional life. I've repeatedly explained my work to friends and colleagues, and some of them still just don't get it. We want people to understand us. We want people to understand our behavior, emotion, and thinking, including our idiosyncrasies and our proclivities. However, when a person has an unusual or even unique problem, it's understandably very hard for other people to feel empathy. This is especially true for BPD, where there's a cluster of symptoms that comprise the disorder, making it very difficult for anyone to understand the choices and inner life of the borderline. In fact, even mental health professionals are sometimes stymied to understand idiosyncratic behavior, emotion and thinking, and psychopathology. Therefore, just as the borderline must be compassionate and patient with himself, he must be equally compassionate and patient with other people, always keeping in mind that most people simply cannot understand that his personal issues and challenges, including perhaps even his personal self-destructive behaviors, are something that others won't understand, perhaps not even his life partner. For example, explaining why self-cutting provides psychological and even physical benefits is quite difficult to articulate. Similarly, a cancer patient and his family rarely understand the complexity of the medical issues, but rather only a rough outline, because without medical training, the pathogenesis and pathophysiology of the cancer is almost incomprehensible. Therefore, if you really want to maintain friends and family, get it into your head that most people really can't or won't get you. Understanding BPD is not only intellectually difficult, but emotionally exhausting. You should hope for meaningful connections with other people who can understand and identify with the most positive and wonderful aspects of who you are.